से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, हाँ कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है।
Like this from the beginning, and you open your hands like this in 2 counts. It's 1, 2, then right hand, then left hand, and then you take your hands to your face. From this you open your hand and then come back down. Okay, so remember, when you do this you have to straight away go to the face. Don't bring your hand like this. From here, 1, see, open and bring it down. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you have to turn to the left side with your left shoulder. See, left shoulder, turn to the left side. Then right shoulder, turn to the right side. After that, this leg, which is the right leg, you take it forward, turn, and we turn from the left side. Again, you take the leg which is in the back, which is your right leg, take it forward and turn. Okay, so now you come back in such a way that your left leg is at the front. So from here, what you do is you use your right hand as if you are hitting on a door. Okay, so it's like hitting like this, right? So this right hand you use to hit it on the left side. At the same time, you use this left leg. See, 1. See, from here you take just 1. Then you take the opposite side, 2. Then again 3 and 4. Okay, so 3, 4 is slightly you are moving towards the left side. See, left leg, left side, right side, left side, left side. Now after we are done with this, now we start from the right side. Right side, left side, right side, right side. Okay, so you come back to the center. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once you are done with this hand, which is your left hand, you take it to the left side with a jump. 1, right hand, left hand, then bring your hand down. Okay, so that's the 4th step. From here you go left, right, down. Then again go to the right side. Right, left, right, down. Okay, so this is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, down, right, left, right, down. So once you're done with this, you will repeat the same sequence from the hammer step. See, left, right, left, right, left, down, right, left, right, down. From here, what you're doing is you use your left leg and you move towards your right side like this. Okay, and left leg crossing, moving to the right side. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you turn to the left side with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after this jump, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you jump to the left side with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again after this, you take the right leg like this. You turn to the diagonally left side and you have your hand, right hand as a shooting step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you are done with this, you again do the same step where you take the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Sorry. After 1, 2, 3, 4, the second time you do the new step instead of shooting, which is left side both hands, screen both hands, and open up. Okay, so it will be looking like this after this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, what you do is you tap your knee, cross your hand where you use your left leg behind, and you will look at the diagonally left side. Okay, then again tap, cross, again tap, instead of cross we do hit with your right hand, then again tap, hit. Okay, now from here you continue the same step which you did earlier. Jump to the right side, jump to the left side, hand, 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 again tap, cross, tap, cross, tap, hit, jump to the right side, jump to the left side, both hands, open up. After this, what you do is you swing your hand from the left side with both hands towards the right side, and you roll. Same thing you do towards the left side, roll. Only one time on one side, then you will touch your knee and you push towards the right side and your leg goes back. Again, touch your knee and push towards the left side. Next, what you will do is you will roll your hand, but you open your leg, and same side where you ended up, you start rolling from down to up. Again, going to the right side to the center, and you open your hands. Okay, so from here you go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here you will take your right hand inside, the left hand comes like this, and your right hand goes inside to down, and then you bring it back and you keep your hands near your forehead like a salute with both hands here, but you will be in a sitting position. From here you go right hand, left hand, both hands, right hand, left hand, both hands. Okay, so the full step what we learned right now for today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, touch, push, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, done. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, you have to turn towards the left side and you have to start walking forward, backward, forward, turn. Okay, so it's a 3-step where you are doing the walking and turning towards the right side. So immediately after this, you go forward, backward, forward, turn, again forward, backward, forward. This time not turning, instead what you're doing, this leg goes back. The left leg, which was like this, goes behind the right leg. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, backward, forward, turn, forward, backward, forward, back. So once you're done with this, you take your both hands, right, left, and you jump. And when you jump, your right hand is on your neck, left hand is on your forehead, and you go 1, 2. Okay, so again you go forward, backward, forward, turn, forward, backward, forward, turn, right, left, down, up. Okay, so when you do the down part, you jump also, like, because your leg is like this. From here you go, jump up. So when I'm saying up, you're just raising your head, but your hand is still on the neck and the forehead. Okay, so again, so from here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See? At the back. From here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you take 1, 2, right leg, close leg, 3, 4. Same hand, but going to the left side. Again, right leg, close, left leg, close.
मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली मेरे तेवर